Hi friends, today I'll be showing you some keyboard shortcuts. I'll be saying as Control A instead of Control plus A here, or like that onwards. So let's begin. Control A is selecting all text. Control B is making the text bold. Control C is copying the text, and Control D and setting a default font, and Control E centering a paragraph of text. Control F find for finding a selection of words, letters, etc. Uh, Control G go to like a certain area of the document, etc. Control H replace. Control I italic. Control J justify. Control K hyperlink. Control L align text to left, and Control M hanging, and Control N new document. Control O open. Control P print. Control Q add space after the paragraph. Control R align text to right. Control S save as. Control T left indent. Control U underline. Control B paste. Control Control W close. Control X cut. Control Y repeat or redo. Con- Control Z undo. So, my friends, I hope you find this information useful. Until next time, it's me, Alvin, signing out.